Starting a business in Kenya is a powerful dream that many people carry in their hearts. It is not just about making money, but also about creating something meaningful, supporting your family, and building a better future. In recent years, especially after the year 2020, many young people and adults have turned to business as a way to survive and grow. Jobs are not always easy to find, but opportunities in business are everywhere if you look carefully and take action. The journey of starting a business begins with a simple idea. This idea does not have to be big or complicated. It can be something small like selling vegetables, starting a cleaning service, opening a small shop, or offering digital services online. What matters most is that your idea solves a problem. People are always willing to pay for something that makes their life easier, saves them time, or brings them comfort. For example, in busy towns like Nairobi, many people prefer buying ready food instead of cooking, which creates an opportunity for food vendors. When you think about your idea, take time to understand your environment. Look around your area and ask yourself what people need every day. You may notice that there is no nearby shop, no reliable water supply, or no affordable internet services. These gaps are opportunities. A good business idea is one that fits well with the needs of your community. You do not need to copy what everyone else is doing. Instead, try to offer something slightly better or different. After choosing your idea, the next important step is to plan. Planning does not mean writing a very long document. Even a simple plan can guide you. Think about how much money you need to start, where you will get your products, how you will sell them, and how much profit you expect to make. For example, if you want to start a small fruit business, you may need around 10,000 Kenyan shillings to 20,000 Kenyan shillings for stock, transport, and a small space. Knowing these details helps you avoid confusion later. Money is one of the biggest challenges when starting a business. Many people believe they need a lot of capital, but that is not always true. In Kenya, many successful businesses started with less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings. You can begin small and grow slowly. Personal savings are the best source of capital because they do not come with pressure. You can also join a chama, where members save money together and support each other. There are also youth funds and women funds that offer financial support, especially for small businesses. Once you have your idea and some money, it is important to make your business official. In Kenya, you can register your business through the online system provided by the government. This process is simple and affordable. Registering your business gives you credibility and allows you to operate without fear. It also opens doors to bigger opportunities like tenders and partnerships. Depending on your type of business, you may need to pay between 1,000 Kenyan shillings and 10,000 Kenyan shillings for registration. In addition to registration, you will need to follow tax rules. Every business in Kenya must have a tax identification number. This helps you file your returns and avoid penalties. Paying taxes may feel difficult at first, but it is part of running a serious business. It also helps you grow because you can work with bigger companies that require tax compliance. Learning basic tax rules early will save you from stress in the future. Licenses are also important. Most businesses require a single business permit from the county government. The cost depends on your location and type of business, but it usually ranges from 5,000 Kenyan shillings to 20,000 Kenyan shillings per year. If you are dealing with food, you may also need health certificates. It is always better to follow the rules from the beginning to avoid fines or closure. After setting up your business, the real work begins. You need customers. Without customers, there is no business. Marketing is how you attract people to what you offer. In Kenya today, social media is one of the most powerful tools. Platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok can help you reach many people at almost no cost. You can post pictures, share videos, and tell your story. People love buying from businesses they trust, so always be honest and consistent. Customer service is another key factor. Treat your customers well, and they will come back again and again. A happy customer will also tell others about your business. This is called word of mouth, and it is very powerful. Even if your prices are not the lowest, good service can make people choose you over your competitors. Simple things like greeting customers warmly, delivering on time, and listening to feedback can make a big difference. As your business grows, you need to manage your money wisely. Many businesses fail not because they lack customers, but because of poor money management. Keep a simple record of your income and expenses. This helps you understand whether you are making a profit or a loss. Avoid mixing business money with personal money. It may seem harmless at first, but it can create confusion and lead to losses. Growth takes time and patience. Do not expect your business to become successful overnight. Some days will be good and others will be challenging. The important thing is to remain consistent. Keep improving your products or services. Learn from your mistakes and adjust your approach. Every successful entrepreneur has faced challenges, but they did not give up. Technology has made business easier in Kenya. Mobile money services allow you to receive payments quickly and securely. You can also use simple apps to track sales, communicate with customers, and promote your business. Embracing technology can give you an advantage over others who are still using traditional methods. Networking is also very important. Connect with other business owners, attend local events, and join groups where you can learn and share ideas. Sometimes, one connection can open a door that changes your entire journey. Do not be afraid to ask questions or seek advice from those who have more experience. There are also common mistakes that many beginners make. One of them is starting without research. This can lead to investing in a business that has no demand. Another mistake is giving up too early. Many people quit just when they are about to succeed. It is also common for people to ignore legal requirements, which can lead to problems later. Being aware of these mistakes can help you avoid them. Discipline is the foundation of success. Wake up early, plan your day, and stay focused on your goals. Even when you feel tired or discouraged, remind yourself why you started. Your business is not just about today. It is about building a better tomorrow for yourself and your loved ones. In Kenya, opportunities are everywhere. From small towns to big cities, there is always something you can do. Agriculture, retail, services, and digital businesses all offer great potential. The key is to start with what you have and grow step by step. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to begin. As time goes on, you will gain experience and confidence. You will understand your customers better and improve your operations. This is how businesses grow. Small steps taken every day lead to big results over time. What starts as a small hustle can become a stable and profitable business. In the end, starting a business in Kenya is a journey of courage, learning, and persistence. It is not always easy, but it is possible. With the right mindset, proper planning, and consistent effort, you can build something meaningful and successful. The most important step is the first one. Start today and let your journey begin.